Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to decrease text size on infinix mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you can see this is the display and brightness. So you just need to click on the display and brightness. After that you just keep scroll. When you scroll you can see here is the font size, so you have to click on font size. When you click on it, this is the scale of the text size. Okay, so if you want to keep the normal the text size, just keep on this icon middle one and it will be normal. And if you want to decrease till the down, just click on the down and here it will has been decrease. Okay, smaller. So if you want to increase, you just click on the upside, it will be increase. Okay, see it has been larger, right? So you can check the difference on this text. Okay, and whenever you want to put as your wish, normal, decrease or increase, right? So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.